All right, the IAF air show underway on Ganga Expressway in Jalalabad area. The Jaguar MiG-29, Sukhoi and Rafale have touched down on the airstrip. The aircrafts are performing a low fly pasts at an altitude of just 1 meter, followed by landing and takeoff drills is what we are learning. Pia, my colleague, is joining us to give us more details about this. Pia?
Spectacular visuals you can see on our screens currently. India fighter jets roaring in the skies right above the Ganga Expressway. Drills are being conducted there. The air show has commenced already in the Shahjahanpur district. It's a landmark occasion. The IAF, of course, is creating history because the Ganga Expressway is very unique. It's a 3.5-kilometer emergency airstrip along this expressway, which is the site of the major drills which are underway. It is, in fact, India's first landing airstrip designed to support both day and night landings, which marks a major boost for defense preparedness. We can, of course, see the Rafale, the Mirage, Jaguars, as well as Sukhoi, MiG-29s as well. They're all taking to the skies, roaring nice and loud. A major message by the Indian Air Force. Of course, we are projecting our prowess high in the sky. These are, of course, live visuals that are coming in. The IAF air show is currently underway. Of course, a host of aircraft of the Indian Air Force are thundering. This is a major message to Pakistan, of course, and it is quite historic at this point because, as I was stating, Vineet, this is, of course, Uttar Pradesh is the very first state in the country to have a night landing facility for fighter jets on an expressway. This is, of course, a major event tonight. Drills are also planned in order to, check the feasibility of this airstrip, this 3.5-kilometer long airstrip. Of course, the Rafale, the Sukhoi, the Mirage, MiG-29, Jaguar, and AN-32 aircraft have also been spotted. The C-130J Super Hercules is also expected to be there very, very soon. The Mi-17 V5 helicopter is also expected to be there. The Ganga Expressway is, of course, the fourth expressway in the state that will have an airstrip for fighter jets of the Indian Air Force. There are three other airstrips, which is the Agra-Lucknow Expressway in Unnao, the Purvanchal Expressway in Sultanpur, and the Bundelkhand Expressway near Etawah. But this is a landmark moment because the Ganga Expressway particularly is the very first expressway in the country that has a night landing facility. We will keep our eyes peeled for the drills that will take place late at night as well. Back to you, Vineet.
Pia, thank you for that.